This is how you get rid of cockroaches using a simple homemade bait that only takes a few minutes to prepare. First, take a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of boric acid powder. Boric acid is the active ingredient and is commonly used in cockroach control because it affects roaches after they consume it. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar makes the mixture even more appealing and encourages roaches to feed on it. Now add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter provides a strong aroma and helps attract cockroaches to the bait. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they form a smooth and uniform paste. Once the mixture is ready, pour it in several plastic bottle caps. Now place the bait in areas where cockroaches are commonly seen, such as counters, along baseboards, along drains, or other hidden areas where roaches travel. As cockroaches find the bait, they begin feeding on it and may carry traces back to their nesting areas, helping reduce activity throughout the infestation over time. Most people begin noticing a reduction in cockroach activity within 1 to 2 weeks as more roaches come into contact with the bait. Always keep the bait out of reach of children and pets. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.